Now that you learned the basics about command lines, you can start using them. For example, hello is equal to hello world. This means that the hello variable has these characters. And here you can print this variable. As you can see here, it prints the characters hello world from here. Then you can initialize a variable with numbers, so a is equal to 5. And of course you can print it. Hello and then 5. Also you can initialize one more variable and then print a plus b. Okay, the results are correct. Now you can initialize a variable from two other variables. So c is equal to a plus b. Don't worry, things get really interesting after these basic tutorials about Python. If you understand that, or if you know the basics of programming from tutorials, you can skip this lecture and go to the interesting stuff. Now you can print c. Let's see the results. Again, 3939. Finally, in programming, you can write something very strange from a mathematician. You can write a is equal to a plus 1. And in actual fact, this makes no sense from a mathematical perspective. But here in programming, this means that a here is equal to 5. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And now a is equal to 6. Let's see the results. As you can see here, a is equal to 6. Also, you can write b is equal to b plus a. This means that b is equal to 34 and a is equal to 5 plus 1, which is 6. So b plus a is equal to 40. So b is equal to 40. I'm not really sure if this makes any sense for you right now, but we will talk about that again and again in the whole course, so don't worry too much. Let's print b 40. Everything seems correct. And as always, keep coding, guys.